Kitchen. It is showtime here. If you like popcorn, this is one of our family favorites. So I'm just gonna teach you just a couple quick tips on how to have a healthier home popcorn. So you don't have to go to the movies to have a great bowl of popcorn. You can make it from the comfort of your own home using an air popcorn popper. It's super easy, simple, you don't have to use the microwave, and you can get some really fun organic popcorn. This is like a rainbow assortment of popcorn. Even has like some purpley blue corn kernels in there, some orange and some red. These are, again, organic popcorn kernels. That's really important whenever you're having popcorn, is to get it organic. So that way it's not GMO or genetically modified. So I really don't do popcorn a whole lot, but when I do, it is a treat food and I do get the best quality I can. So here we have our beautiful popcorn bowl. It smells so good. And then we get to decorate it. So I love using the Heavenly Olive Oils and Vinegars butter flavored olive oil. It is amazing. So I'm gonna put just a little bit on here instead of regular butter. You certainly could melt some Kerrygold butter on the stove, but today I'm gonna do this olive oil. So you're getting some heart healthy benefits of the olive oil, and you're getting the flavor of butter. But if you don't have that, or if you'd rather just keep it more simple, then you could also do some organic plain extra virgin olive oil. That would work wonderfully also. And then I'm gonna do some real sea salt, as much or as little as you would like. I personally like a nice amount of salt. So I'm gonna do some of our sea salt, and then if you wanted to, you could put some cinnamon on here. So cinnamon is gonna help to balance the blood sugar of the popcorn. So you don't wanna go overboard, even though it is a healthier popcorn. We want to have our good healthy oils. That helps to balance it a little bit, and then a little bit of cinnamon would be great as well. And then if you really wanted to have a treat, you could have a little bit of dark chocolate next to it too. So again, whenever you go to look for a good dark chocolate, make sure that it has 6 grams or less of sugar. The lower amount of sugar, the better. So Alter Eco here is a really good one, or the Lily's brand chocolate is also very good. So these are some of my favorite ways to enjoy a great little bowl of popcorn and a healthy, good movie, a wholesome movie. So I hope that this was helpful for you, and have a wonderful day. Enjoy your cooking, and we'll see you next time in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.